Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to create a WhatsApp channel in 2025 step by step using just the mobile application. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, first of all, you need to launch your WhatsApp mobile application, and here you need to make sure that you are logged into that particular account on which you want to create the channel. Over here, before proceeding, make sure that your application is up to date to the latest version. In order to update it, you need to first of all come out of your WhatsApp application, then open your Google Play Store or App Store. Over here, if you search for WhatsApp and if you see any update written over here, you need to tap on that update button and update your WhatsApp to the latest version. We are doing this step because sometimes when you are using the older version of WhatsApp application, you may not be able to find that create a channel option. Now, once this step is done, simply come here in your WhatsApp app, then tap on the updates tab here in the bottom. Now tap on the three dots here in the top right hand corner of the screen and select the option of create a channel. Over here you need to agree to the terms and conditions and give your channel a name. After that you can also upload any photographs if you want to. Once you are done, simply click on the create option and there you go, you have successfully created your channel on WhatsApp. Now you can add description to it and you can tap on it in order to add the description. Then you can save your changes. If you want to share the channel link with anyone else, you can just tap on this option and this is your channel's link which you can copy and share it to anybody else and you can ask them to join it. So this is how you can create a WhatsApp channel in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just let me know that in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye.